All right, in this video, we're working on a MTD Yard Machines snowblower. It's an older model. It's got the little Tecumseh 5 horsepower motor on it. Everything supposedly works, it just will not start. So we're gonna do some troubleshooting and figure out what's going on. First thing I wanna do is I wanna check, make sure there's oil in it. And there is, it's right up to the full, that's good. Make sure we got gas. Make sure the gas is on the on position, and it is. Full choke, keys on, rabbit, and let's prime it and see what happens. Nada. Let's check to make sure that we got spark. All right, we got spark. That's good. So we have something carburetor related going on. Take the choke knob off. Just loosen that little 8mm bolt, and then take out these two screws right here. And just set that aside. I'll spray a little bit of starting fluid in there. And then we'll see if it fires that way. All right, so just getting this carburetor off so we can just take it apart, check it out, clean it. Just take out this bolt that holds on the bottom, which is also the main jet. And we also got the screw over here. Love these carburetors because you can adjust them. This is the low end. That's for the high end. I think it's like 1 to 1 1/4 turn out to kind of start. Once we get this put back together, we'll figure all that out. But that is it as far as taking it apart. I just need to spray some carb cleaner through it and get it cleaned up. All right, so I've used carb cleaner to clean out all the needles up, cleaned all the passageways in the carburetor, and then on the main jet here, just spraying it right down here. There's a little pinhole right down here and on the side, so you need to make sure it comes out there. Everything seems to be going where it should. All right, the other thing I noticed is the gasket for the carburetor. There was like half on the carburetor, half not on the carburetor. So if I can get this, I want to get this, I got to get this gasket. It's just like, well, it's coming off a little bit there. But you see, it's just falling apart. So that could be part of the problem too. If we didn't have a good seal here, and if it's sucking air back here, the machine will not run correctly. All right, got the carburetor all put back together. Just gonna get this linkage hooked back up.